So what exactly is mindful meditation? Mindfulness is about being fully present, both with what's happening around you and with what's happening inside of you. It's about holding off on judgments, those little shortcuts we use to describe the situations we're going through. You might think this assignment is dumb and a waste of your time. Judgment, when what's actually going on is you feel overwhelmed and confused and don't know what to do next. Mindful meditation doesn't need to be this big thing. There are simple ways to practice it in your daily life. You can draw a self-portrait, eat some ice cream, or drink tea, go for a walk, or notice all the water falling on you when you take a shower, or even just noticing your breath. Even if you get distracted, noticing the distractions and coming back is a big part of being mindfully present. This is going to be difficult at first. You're going to be overwhelmed by all the stuff that's happening inside of you and how hard it is to be fully present. That's okay. Keep experimenting, keep trying, and learn what helps you to be more present in your daily life.